Hello guys, in this video you will learn TCP IP, which is one of the important topic to understand networking. What is TCP? TCP means Transmission Control Protocol is a communications standard that enables application programs and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. It is designed to send packets across the internet and ensure the successful delivery of data and messages over networks. TCP is one of the basic standards that define the rules of the Internet and is included within the standards defined by the IETF means Internet Engineering Task Force. It is one of the most commonly used protocols within digital network communications and ensures end-to-end data delivery. TCP organizes data so that it can be transmitted between a server and a client. It guarantees the integrity of the data being communicated over a network. Before it transmits data, TCP establishes a connection between a source and its destination, which it ensures remains live until communication begins. It then breaks large amounts of data into smaller packets while ensuring data integrity is in place throughout the process. As a result, high-level protocols that need to transmit data all use TCP protocol. Examples include peer-to-peer sharing methods like FTP means File Transfer Protocol, SSH means Secure Shell, and Telnet. It is also used to send and receive email through IMAP means Internet Message Access Protocol, Post Office Protocol, and SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and for web access through the HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In the networking alternative of TCP is UDP, which means User Datagram Protocol, which is used to establish low latency connections between applications and decrease transmissions time. TCP can be an expensive network tool as it includes absent or corrupted packets and protects data delivery with controls like acknowledgements, connection startup, and flow control. UDP does not provide error connection or packet sequencing, nor does it signal a destination before it delivers data, which makes it less reliable but less expensive. As such, it is a good option for time-sensitive situations, such as DNS means Domain Name System Lookup, VoIP means Voice over Internet Protocol, and streaming media. What is IP? The IP means Internet Protocol is the method for sending data from one device to another across the Internet. Every device has an IP address that uniquely identifies it and enables it to communicate with and exchange data with other devices connected to the Internet. Today, it's considered the standard for fast and secure communication directly between mobile devices. IP is responsible for defining how applications and devices exchange packets of data with each other. It is the principal communications protocol responsible for the formats and rules for exchanging data and messages between computers on a single network or several Internet-connected networks. It does this through the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP IP, a group of communications protocols that are split into 4 abstraction layers. IP is the main protocol within the Internet layer of the TCP IP. Its main purpose is to deliver data packets between the source application or device and the destination using methods and structures that place tags, such as address information, within data packets. TCP IP uses a 3-way handshake to establish a connection between a device and a server, which ensures multiple TCP socket connections can be transferred in both directions concurrently. Both the device and server must synchronize and acknowledge packets before communication begins, then they can negotiate, separate, and transfer TCP socket connections.